This is a very modern technique, grounding. Though it comes from our ancient Vedas, this is something that I have been teaching for many years. Of course, as I come from Orient, in the Western world, it's so important because everybody is so much after materialistic wealth and people have forgotten the spirit. But really is, if we all go back into our cell, the neurons, we are all inside the micro of the macro. So we are really spiritual beings who have evolved. So it's important for us to go into the spirit. So now I'd like to tell you a technique which I have been practicing for many years, grounding, which is important for us to forget all the anxiety and to improve our self-esteem, to be more confident in what we are doing. Today back in my country, I see people are really running after the money, nothing else. Everybody forgets. Everybody wants to have the best car, the best flat, the best of everything. Finally in this competition, they are really forgetting their spiritual. And many young people are having heart attacks, stress, oriented diseases, cancers just like mushrooms spreading so much. And even young children are having a lot of fatigue, allergy, and many people have the back cervical problem. All this is because we are not centered, we are really moving in a very fast speed. Today, this 2013, especially after the 21st, 22nd, 23rd of December, 2012, whatever was the process, the frequency changed in the whole planet. Now we are in a light, we are light beings. There's a huge light that surrounds us and we call it the golden era. But the golden era, I think it's yet to start because people have not prepared. But we are in the process. There are many people that I see are more conscious, and day by day they want to really change and transformation. This transformation has to happen within our cellular level. The DNA, the RNA has to change the information and we have to start regenerating. And this I have been teaching for many years, that we have to really change. We have to change our chip. There is no degeneration, and in Ayurveda, as I am teaching here and I am treating my patients, it's regenerating each cell. Okay, now to regenerate each cell, what we have to do, we have to work inside the atoms, the photons, the molecules inside. How you have to change? We have to definitely go deep into our centers of energy that you call chakras. It's not very spiritual or some word which is out of no. Even the quantist physicists, as they explain, we are all energy beings. We are surrounded. You go into, when you walk into a metro, in a bus, you see somebody else has a depression, suddenly you become dull and you want to be happy, but somebody else is really in a depressive mode. You become melancholic. You go into your office, your boss is not in a good mood. Immediately you start becoming more and more sad. This is all because we are energies and we are like sponge. We immediately take the other energy, and this we have to be very careful. And what we have to do, these centers of energy starting from the upper level, that is, this is Sahasrara, the seventh, the crown chakra, where all your mental blocks are there. You have been taught from the beginning, from the childhood, that you cannot do these things, you can only do, you have many limitations. This limitation, the aging process, that after some age you will become old, then you will start degenerate. All this is what was taught to us. Now I want you to go there deep into this seventh chakra to remove all the blocks, remove all this negative thinking, and just surrender to the universe, the creator, whatever it is. I don't say God. You can just say the universe. It can be nature, it can be light, whatever you call. Just connect. We are all in the solar system and we all believe that we are light beings, spiritual beings. So again, to remind you, I tell you, just go back and remember the spirit, the seventh chakra, or this top, to remove all this and connect direct with the universe, with that light, and you start becoming completely intellect. You start getting ideas, creative. The left part of the brain, the right part of the brain, which receives the logical information, the other one is creative. So you start, your DNA starts changing and you start, your information starts. Unblock this seventh chakra. Then you go back into this ajna, where the bindi is there, where I have this point. As in our Hindu culture, we have this thing to open up this third chakra, and when you meditate, it is very important for you to open up this part of the brain, and this is where the pineal gland is there and the pituitary, which is at the back. And this is the only endocrine gland, the pineal and the pituitary, which really connect you with the other universe or with the light. Then you go into your, and then unblock all the doubts that you have had, because in the beginning when they told you, you were really telepathic, or you started imagining things and you started forecasting, your parents told you just shut up, this is something very rare and don't get into these things. So we blocked all this. Now you open up this and try to take out all the doubts and really have the confidence you can really do it. Now go into your throat, and this is the communication part, and just open up and really communicate from your inner voice. Just don't think of what the others told you. And those who are very shy, timid, they cannot speak, they cannot express, this is a block there. So unblock this, and when you are unblocking this, the parathyroid and the thyroid, you are able to really remove all the unnecessary negative thoughts that were being injected there for many years. Now go back into your heart, which is very important. Remove all the suffering and the sadness. By nature we are all melancholic. We have some melancholy. We are sad. We don't know why. But it's very easy to touch the happy button and just to be happy with each little thing. Just listen, close your eyes, listen to the birds. Or just close your eyes, feel the nature. Feel everything, feel the sound, get all the vibration. That's what we need to get. And that is what we have got to. This is nutrition, optimum nutrition for our hearts. And start loving yourself first. The love starts from you. Start loving yourself, feeling yourself, your inner child. Jump, skip, play, or whatever you want to do, and open up this heart chakra. Then go back here, that is 4 fingers above the navel or the belly point. It is solar plexus, where there is lot of guilt, phobia, traumas, all this is injected. So try to remove this and really work on it every day, and think that you can really get rid of all these phobias, all this trauma and the guilt, and just don't feel and don't believe those people who come and say, poor me, victim, I am poor, I have suffered all the time. It is their problem. Remove all these blocks. Be lighter. Remove all this baggage. You don't have to carry everybody. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has told Arjuna, we all are our own being. We all have to carry our own karma. We have to carry our own part, not carry others all the time. Remove it, and for some time give away all this who are depending on you. Give it to the Creator. Tell the Creator or the universe to take care of them. And the obsessions. Now 4 fingers below your navel, that's the place. That's Hara chakra, where I find all the digestive system. Most of you have the problem with digestion. You have a lengthy digestion, the problem of the colon cancer, the woman with the ovaries problem, the uterus, urinary bladder, kidney where you have lot of fear, liver which doesn't function again. It's all because we are carrying this fear, this obsession, this phobias from very long time. Unless we work and we are able to do it, which a classical or a traditional doctor will not. He will tell you to take some medicine for your digestive system, but that's not going to fix your digestive system. Your digestive system, or the bad smell that you have, the acidity you have, it's coming from all the anger, the jealousy that you are having. You're carrying from very long time. If you're not going to carry, how can you get rid of this? Medicine is just a temporary ailment, but what you have to do is you have to work deep inside you to get rid of all this. And even you will start feeling all this inflammation, the swelling that you have in your stomach, all your belly is so big, will start going inside. Remember, and be with your body, with your cell, and take deep breathing. Now go to the first chakra, which is just in the tailbone, the Muladhara chakra. That's where you have all the information, all the toxins are there. It is very important for you to unblock that. Until you unblock that, you start your anti-aging. There is no need for you to do all the cosmetic surgery.